How to paint a motorcycle engine so it doesn't peel, flake, or burn off. If you've ever painted a motorcycle engine and watched it peel, flake, or burn off, you're not alone. Engine paint doesn't fail because of bad luck. It fails because of poor prep, surface contamination, or using the wrong coating. In this video, I'll show you how to paint a motorcycle engine the right way using the KBS Motor Coater Kit. Most engine paint failures come down to four things. First, contamination. Oil, grease, fuel residue, even invisible films block adhesion. Paint can't stick. Second, painting over corrosion. Loose rust creates an unstable surface, so the coating lifts, bubbles, and keeps failing as corrosion continues underneath. Third, using the wrong paint. Standard paints aren't built for engine heat. They soften, discolor, crack, and eventually burn off. And fourth, applying paint too thick. When paint goes on heavy, it skins over and traps solvents underneath, leading to improper curing and failure. Proper prep and use of quality engine paint are critical. The DIY-friendly KBS Motor Coater Kit simplifies the procedure by supplying everything needed for a long-lasting paint job, including KBS Clean, Rust Blast, and Motor Coater engine enamel. Begin with a thorough cleaning using KBS Clean. Oil and grime are the #1 reason paint fails. KBS Clean deep cleans to remove these contaminants without leaving adhesion-blocking residue. Mix clean with warm water. Dilution rates vary according to the degree of contaminants and if the metal is ferrous or non-ferrous. Scrub thoroughly with a sponge or scrub brush. Rinse with water and dry completely. Detailed instructions for KBS Clean, including recommended dilution rates, can be found on the KBS website. Next, remove all loose flaking rust with a wire brush or wire wheel. Alternately, this can be done with 320 grit sandpaper or by sandblasting. Also, remove existing paint with chemical stripper such as KBS Strip or by sandblasting. If you're unable to remove any or all paint from the metal surfaces, lightly scuff with 400 grit sandpaper. Any remaining paint must be firmly adhered. And here's something important: you don't need to remove every trace of rust when Rust Blast is used. After rust and paint removal, clean again with KBS Clean, rinse with water, and dry completely. Next, prep the surface with KBS Rust Blast to neutralize remaining surface rust and micro-etch the surface for paint adhesion. Spray on Rust Blast and keep wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the rust. Scrub intermittently with a Scotch-Brite pad. After treatment, rinse and dry completely. Use compressed air if necessary to ensure cooling fins, seams, and weld joints are moisture-free. A whitish zinc phosphate residue will remain. This is beneficial for adhesion and prevents flash rust, so don't remove it. Detailed instructions for Rust Blast can be found on the KBS website. Before painting, be sure to mask everything carefully. Protect intake openings, exhaust ports, wiring, sensors, hoses, sealing surfaces, etc. Now we're ready for Motor Coater engine enamel, a beautiful, durable engine paint that resists oil, gas, and chemicals and won't blister, crack, or peel. Motor Coater is available in over 40 rich pigmented colors for superior coverage and provides a smooth, self-leveling finish without brush marks. Motor Coater is offered in cans for application by brush, roller, or spray equipment, and in an aerosol version. We'll be working with the can version. Stir thoroughly from the bottom of the can to the top before use. Apply when temperatures are between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid rain or high humidity. When spraying, thinning is generally not required, but if needed, 5 to 10% is normally adequate. Thin with KBS #1 thinner or xylene only. In most cases, a single full coat of Motor Coater will cover completely with full color depth. Don't apply the paint too thick. If desired, a second coat may be applied within 30 minutes or after 7 days. Average cure times are 2 to 4 hours. However, depending on humidity and temperature levels, dry times may vary. Detailed instructions for Motor Coater can be found on the KBS website. In summary, when painting a motorcycle engine, avoid these issues: painting over oil or residue, skipping prep, applying thick coats, using the wrong paint, not allowing proper cure time. If you want a motorcycle engine finish that actually lasts, it comes down to 3 things: clean thoroughly, prep properly, and use the right coating. By taking these steps and using the KBS Motor Coater Kit, you'll get a durable, professional-looking finish that won't peel, flake, or burn off. KBS Coatings products are proudly made in the USA.